So we got two bosses to choose from: Doggo or Ladyboy.
Confusion, go bird.
Okay, so
JoJo Part 6 has kind of ruined mushrooms for me, because I just think of Poochie.
can y'all come in here or not?
I'm in here.
Okay.
Don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm here.
Okay. Come on, y'all.
You guys just saying...
If you take a wide bit around the gravestone and go to the back of it and get the Hornet Ring first, because you can get that ring without setting off the fight.
This the boss?
In this room, yeah. You just there's like a few. If you go a couple of meters just in front of this gravestone, it'll set off the boss.
Close your
But
Twitch
you get
stream
the
so you
ring
can
that's
pay attention to this, so you can get better connection.
Okay.
Oh, I see him over there.
Where is he?
I think I see him over there.
Yeah, he's like behind the arena on like his little platform or something somewhere. Can't remember exactly where, but
I see him right there.
I stopped my broadcasting.
Okay, so
where?
Whereabouts?
okay, well maybe that's just some fog or a waterfall or something.
Yeah, it's a waterfall.
Oh yeah, there's a
Okay,
waterfall.
so now I step in front of the stone. Are y'all ready?
Yeah, step in front.
So Joe sees like what we're up against. Yeah. Did we just get invaded then? By the way.
No,
That
it said
would've been
area
funny.
boss could now be challenged. Since we were standing inside here, there was no risk of invasion.
Oh. This is the same dog from 3?
No.
So anyway, here's this giant enemy crab.
Yeah, but I'm desensitized from this because I fought a giant wolf already.
Yeah,
The
but
only difference...
that wasn't a giant wolf wielding a sword.
Alright, a little different.
Okay, Joe, you know that sword? That's an actual sword.
Yeah, I know.
That's the guy who owns its sword.
Was he turned into a wolf?
No.
That is Artorias' sword, and you meet Artorias in the DLC.
Wow, doggo.
Oh, doggo.
Sweet puppet.
We killed him too quick to see the little animation at the end, though.
There we go.
Joe, how do you bend your head inside that thing?
Joe has Doggo angry at him. Joe did not save the puppy.
I thought he did.
I did save him.
Oh, there we
Yeah,
go.
he did. There we
go.
And now he's like, uh-oh. No.
Sorry, old yeller, I gotta kill you.
Oh, that is heartbreaking.
I like that detail. That's it.
I
Thing
remember
is,
that.
he still has to protect what he's protecting, so still got to do the boss fight. Oh no!
They're not gonna let you off the hook
But-
easy.
When you consider like the detail of it, it's kind of a sad.
They didn't want to
story.
put it in originally, but
Oh, everybody, back off! Oh, dang!
I didn't do anything. What happened?
What was? What did we miss out on? Is there a bonfire
Get
here?
him down to a quarter of. No, there's no bonfire.
Tried to hit him.
Get him down to a quarter HP, and then everybody backs off.
Ow.
Why? What happens then?
You'll see, and it's really sad.
All right, there.
That'll do.
That's not quite a quarter.
Oh, almost.
Ow.
There, is that a quarter?
Leave it,
There.
leave it, leave it, leave it.
Yeah, leave it, leave it, leave it.
Damn it. Nah, it still needs to be a little bit more, dang.
Well,
Well,
I
I'll
can't
get a
do any.
couple.
I can't hit him with Dark Beat again because I'll kill him.
I'll take one hammer thing at him, okay?
By the way, I only hit him 3 times with Dark Beat and do that. Oh wait.
Ow!
Oh.
Maybe that's enough. Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Look, Joe.
Oh,
Look at him.
oh
In a second when he starts moving around. Like hopping towards us.
No.
See that
Oh,
animation?
Aww, he's so sad.
Joe, get the shotgun.
Euthanize the poor baby.
Goodbye.
Hi.
And point down.
Sorry, sweetheart.
I'm happy you're dead.
I bowed.
You're such a dick.
I bowed. Oh, why? For maximum tears. I once wielded this 6 foot times bigger than me now.
Clearly lost weight. No wonder the dog doesn't instantly recognize it.
Yeah, to think I was talking about your character model and not the sword. Hey, buddy.
Oh, you're gonna die. Now, is this detail in the original game or only in the?
No, you saw the
No.
cutscene in mine, which was the original.
No.
not
I meant the remake. Is this only in the remake, or is this in the original game too?
The little added detail, you have to have the DLC.
Okay.
But I believe it is in the
But,
original.
I mean,
one.
in the remastered, you've already got the DLC. It's just you have to do certain things in a certain sequence of events.
Yeah, I get you.
I dodged the blade.
I just
Bowed
wasn't
down.
sure if this was something they added on or not.
Boop your snoot with my hammer.
Are we gonna have
Okay.
him act pathetic? Oh, never mind. He's dead.